how to solve for x and y from this given problem. X squared minus y is equal to 111, y squared minus x is equal to 111, provided x is not equal to y. Solution. X squared minus y is equal to 111. Let's call this equation 1. Y squared minus s is equal to 111. Let's call this equation 2. Then we can subtract equation 1 from equation 2. That is s squared minus y squared minus s is equal to 111 minus 111. S squared minus y squared plus s is equal to 0. Now we can compare this. We have x squared here and y squared here. This is s squared minus y squared plus x minus y is equal to 0. S squared minus y squared is in form of perfect square, which can be written as s plus y multiplied by s minus y plus s minus y is equal to 0. Then if you look at this, s minus y is common. Let's bring it out. S minus y bracket, if you divide this by this, we have s plus y, and if you divide this by this, we have 1 is equal to 0. There are two cases here. The first case and the second case. The first case is s minus y is equal to 0. Therefore, s is equal to y. And the second case is s plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. But from here, the question says x is not equal to y. Therefore, s is equal to y is undefined. Since s is not equal to y, then we consider this s plus y. If you take this one to the other side, it becomes minus 1. Let's call this equation 3. Now let's add equation 1 and 2 together. Add equation 1 and 2. S squared minus y plus y squared minus s is equal to 111 plus 111. S squared plus y squared minus x minus y is equal to 222. Then s squared plus y squared will be equal to 222 plus s plus y. But we know that x plus y is equal to minus 1. Then s squared plus y squared is equal to 222 plus minus 1. S squared plus y squared is equal to 221. Let's call this equation 4. From equation 3, that is s plus y is equal to minus 1. Let's square both sides. S plus y squared is equal to minus 1 squared. This is equal to 1. Then we know that from this exponential rule that, s plus y squared, this is equal to s squared plus 2 sy plus y squared. So, which is equal to 1. And therefore we have s squared plus 2sy plus y squared is equal to 1. Then s squared plus y squared plus 2sy is equal to 1. But s squared plus y squared is equal to 221 from equation 4. Then we have 221 plus 2sy is equal to 1. 2sy is equal to 1 minus 221. Then 2sy is equal to minus 220. Let's divide both sides by 2. Divided by 2. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0. Then sy is equal to minus 1, 1, 0. So let's make y the subject of the formula. Divided by x divided by s. Then this will cancel this. Y is equal to minus 110 over x. Let's call this equation 5. From equation 3, s plus y is equal to minus 1. Then we know that y is equal to minus 111 over x. This is s plus minus 110 over s is equal to minus 1. Then if you cross multiply, s squared minus 110 is equal to minus x. S squared plus s minus 110 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation which can be solved using quadratic general formula or factorization method. But in this case, let's make use of factorization method. Factorization method, the product must be equal to minus 110. This is equal to minus 10 multiplied by 11. This is equal to minus 110, and the sum is equal to minus 10 plus 11. This is equal to 1. Now let's substitute here. We have s squared minus 10s plus 11s minus 110 is equal to 0. Then s bracket s minus 10 plus 11 bracket s minus 10 is equal to 0. Now s minus 10 is common here. We have s minus 10 bracket s plus 11 is equal to 0. Then there are two cases here. The first case is s minus 10 is equal to 0, therefore s is equal to 10. And from the second case, s plus 11 is equal to 0, therefore s is equal to minus 11. Since we've gotten the value of s, which is equal to 10, let's call this x1, and s2 is equal to minus 11, then we can solve for y. But y is equal to minus 110 over x. When s1 is equal to what? 10, then y will be equal to minus 110 over 10. This will cancel this. Y is equal to minus 11. Let's call this y1. Also, when s2 is equal to minus 11, y will be equal to minus 110 over x, y is equal to minus 110 over minus 11, y is equal to 10. Let's call this y2. Therefore, our final answers are x, y is equal to 10, minus 11, or x, y is equal to minus 11, 10. This is the final answer.